Good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Please sit down. Welcome to our company. Before that, introduce me, Dayu Wulandari, a CEO of a postal service company who has invited all of you to attend the meeting. Before starting this morning meeting, please introduce yourself first.
Madam, please allow me to introduce myself.
Please.
I'm Wanda Kusuma Sutyana Putri as the Finance Director of this postal service company.
Please order.
Well, thank you for the opportunity that has been given. Introduce me to Rizva as a representative of the Post Office of the Java Press Post Office, the Human Resources Department, which you have invited to be here.
Please order.
Well, thank you for the opportunity that has been given. Introduce me. I am Bagi Satria Putri as a representative of the company trade union, which you have invited to the interior.
Will, thank you for all coming. At this meeting, we will discuss the proper set contouring of the sorting office in Rayariging Postal Service. Please share.
Okay, madam. Excuse me, madam.
Please sit down.
Thank you.
Please open. I will explain that the current sorting office are ineffective as most of them are located in the city center, which will make it difficult to access road for truck. In one Raga sorting office, 3 million letters a day have to be moved from one floor of the building to another. There is already a lot of competition for external companies like DHL, FitEgg, and Oops. But legislation will soon allow post office to compete for local business in other countries, for example sending mail to business and homes in big cities. The volume of mail has decreased by 10% in the last 10 years and is expected to fall another 10% since the spread of email and electronic signature. The number of letters between companies has decreased by more than 60%. There is already a plan to close 50% of post office and want to reduce the number sorting office from the existing 50 chartered throughout the country to 3. The next plan we will do is to build 3 new sorting office on Cleveland outside the big cities. Will better access to railway and highway that will be of equal size in the western, center, extra part of the country, and will ask new automatic machine. The rest contouring will save 200 million a year in salary and increase efficiency. Next will be explained further about cost and saving by the financial director. For the time and place I welcome.
Okay, thank you, madam. Please allow me to continue what has been conveyed.
Please.
So this restructuring will save 200 million euro a year in studies and increase efficiency. The number of sorting staff will be reduced from 10,000 to around 5,500. although many of them will now have to work night and have to travel further afield for work. The post office will try to find work for another 4,500 elsewhere in the organization in the post office in work and maintenance. It also promised €100 million in redundancy packages and training programs. At the cost of building these three new centers will be equivalent to around €1 billion. But at least half of this will be recovered by selling existing buildings, which are inexpensive downtown location. Okay, thank you, madam. That's all I can say first.
Okay, from what has been said by the finance director regarding FAS, do any of you agree with the plan to change the service in the future? Please share your opinion.
Please, madam, thank you in advance for explaining well to us, and thank you also to the finance director for giving your argument. I really support the post office to build several secondary sorting offices throughout the country and 3 offices in the north for prevent unemployment.
Okay, thank you. Please, author.
Please, madam, I would like to express my opinion regarding the proposed reorganization of postal service. I do not agree with the plan because even though 4,500 work will leave, but many employees currently will not be able to work in the new sorting office as this will involve too many travel time. And a lot of the post office employees are women. They obviously can travel 2 hours X way to work in the new center. Besides, people who always work during the day can do alternate work because it can be seen that night work is bad for health. I think the post office should build at least a smaller center spread across the county. I'm sorry, ma'am, that more or less that I can see. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the argument you have given. Then I will explain further that the new sorting office will have a new automatic machine that can scan the red express and sort mail. The machine currently is as process 25,000 letters per hour. The new will be able to process 40,000 and in manual sorting only process around 1,600 letters per hour. The new machine will also allow automatic sorting. On mail sorting, the route taken by exposed mail or mail operator which represent a profit of 2 hours per mail carrier per day. The next stage of the new technology will involve robots that automatically move mail container around a sorting center. I support this because it can simply mail service and save costs from the company. For the problem of cost will be explained further by the Director of Finance. For the time and place I welcome.
Please, madam, I will add to the cost new equipment such as engines, trucks, and rail cars will cost another €50 million in this reconstruction. That is all, and thank you.
What do you all think about this revisit plan? Please share your opinion.
Madam, permissions to express my opinion. Actually, I'm not sure that this plan will be the most effective plan because I think it will result in a lot of unemployment. Many people lost their jobs in sorting office, for example behind the counter at the post office or in the technical and maintenance jobs because human labor in serving postal service will be replaced by new technology that involves robots automatically in serving the next postal service.
Please, madam, I want to express my opinion. It is true what has been said by the Director of Natural Resources is woman labor is replaced by automatic machine. While the job training program will never have staff in small town where there is no alternative job. In addition, the post office must remain a public service that sacrifices some profit to keep as many jobs as possible. In addition, with the help of eminent machine robot that will share postal service. Staff morale will dramatic if the plan continue and will not help productivity. Then more our life. Apologize. Thank you.
Thank you to the Director of Finance who has explained about the cost and saving in re-rigging the postal service. Then the Director of Human Resource and representative of the trade union. Thank you for giving question regarding the reconstructing of this postal service. Today's meeting I will end. Please. We will discuss solution to this problem at the next meeting. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Madam, for explanation regarding the post office regiment. We will be present at following meeting to discuss this solution. Thank you.